everyone, and welcome to a Vlogmas day number 1. I am so excited to be doing a Vlogmas this year. I've been planning this ever since like this summer. I decided that I wanted to do it and I've been trying to plan it out and I'm just super excited about it. I wanted to do 12 days a giveaway while I was doing Vlogmas. So 12 random days leading up until Christmas, I am going to be doing a giveaway. So I decided that I will do my first giveaway today because why not? It's Vlogmas day number 1. Let's do a giveaway. I will let you know what I'm giving away at the end of this video, and I will tell you how you can enter and all of that stuff later on in the video. So right now, today, I wanted to decorate the inside of my house, but I am waiting for some stuff to come in because I want to flock my Christmas tree. I decided I wanted to do that this year. So I have to wait because that is not going to come in until like late tonight. So I won't be able to do that until either tonight or tomorrow. I'm not sure. So instead I decided that I'm going to start decorating the outside of my house. I don't have that many decorations for the outside, but I still want to put some stuff out. So I think that's what I want to do today, and then I also want to get some cleaning done and all that. I do have 2 kids home sick today. One of them has a cold and a sore throat, and then the other one actually has infantile, however you want to pronounce it. So he's on antibiotics. He can go back to school tomorrow, but he had to be on the antibiotics for a couple days, so he's not contagious, so then he can go back to school. So I do have them home with me right now, but yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do is start decorating the outside because right now it's 43 degrees, and for Minnesota that is really warm. So I want to take advantage of that today. So we're gonna go and decorate the outside of our house. So this is the front entrance of our house, and this is what I'm thinking I want to do, put some decorations out here. All of this stuff right in here is all of our fall decor that I did not throw away in time, so I have to go and throw all that stuff away. And then I have a bunch of boxes right here that I need to go and recycle, and then I have some more fall decor with the ladder. So I want to clean all this stuff up first. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that grill. I believe we're throwing that away. Yeah, but it's looking pretty bad out here right now. So I'm first going to just clean all of this stuff up, and then we will be putting out some decorations.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs.
Okay, so I got everything cleaned out here. I just moved the grill, that's what you call it, the grill over there because Chris is going to have to recycle that, do whatever needs to be done. I don't know what to do with it. So I just pushed that over into the corner for right now. And now I'm going to put together these 3 trees, and I want to have them set up out here. Who is here? That is how we get our UPS packages. They come in a U-Haul. But okay, so I'm gonna set these 3 trees up right now and have them lined up on the outside of our house.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
So I got all 3 Christmas trees done. I have to move the middle one over a little bit more, and then I did put the Merry Bright sign up. So next I'm going to put the presents underneath the tree and put out the rest of the decorations out here. Okay, so now that I got the Christmas trees up with some presents under there, I gotta buy a plug-in to plug all of the presents in because I don't have enough plug-in over there. I kind of like the way that looks, but now I want to put up all of these blow-ups. So I'm thinking, don't mind that, I threw it and it broke. I'm thinking over in this region right here is where we're gonna do the blow up. So let's start setting them up. It is like 3 o'clock right now and it's starting to get cold, so I want to get this done.
Turning yellow, the air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days of fall are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling over all these.
Okay, so I got the inflatables up. This was a pain. Definitely going to do this a lot earlier next year so I can kind of spread them out more and have more of a plan when doing it. The ground is frozen, so it's really hard to push the stakes in. I don't have enough extension cords to like spread them out, so they all have to be kind of cluttered together like this, but at least they're up. I also got the trees up with the presents underneath it, but as you can tell, there is only one tree that is lit. The other 2 trees are not because the plug-in, I had to use the one, I had to unplug the 2 trees so I could plug in the other extension cord for the blow up. So that's that. There's nothing I can do about that until tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna go get a couple more extension cords so then I can plug all this stuff in. But I picked this sign up at Dollar General because I was there and I thought it was really cute. But let's look at this for a second. Do you see how it's warped? Yeah, there's not much I can do about that. And then, don't mind the dustpan. I don't know what that is doing outside. I bought like this, this red and black rug because I wanted to put that on the bottom and then have this rug on top. That is my dog's right there. That is Rocky. I'm not sure if you can see him or not, but he's barking at me. I bought this rug, the red and black one, to go underneath the main rug. But as you can tell, the red and black rug is like as big as the other one. So that didn't work out. My vision didn't turn out on that either. And then I still have my fall wreath up. I need to take that down and put the Christmas one up, but I can't find it. So that's that. So I think that's all that I'm going to be doing outside right now. I did get, let me show you this. I was using this hammer to pound the stakes in. I didn't get it on footage, but Chris came out to help me because I was struggling, and he got home from work and he came out and helped. I did get this stuff right here. This is the snow so I can flock our Christmas tree. So I think what I'm going to do is tonight, after I'm done filming and I edit this video and put it up, I think what I'm going to do is put the lights on the Christmas tree and start flocking it. So then I can have it flocked tonight, and then tomorrow all I have to do is decorate the tree and the inside of the house. So if I do this tonight, I will make sure I film it, and then I will just put it in tomorrow's video. So yeah, I think that's everything. I'm going to clean up a little bit outside, and then we're gonna go inside. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do today because it's been a long day. Okay, so I was about to end this vlog, and then I remembered that I was doing a giveaway. So let me show you guys what is going to be in today's giveaway. The first thing is this Bath & Body Works candle in the scent Fall Farmhouse. So you will get that. You will also get the Shea Sugar Scrub from Tree Hut. I love their body scrubs. I absolutely love them. This one is in the scent Tropical Mango. And then you will get a Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge, a Wet n Wild eyelash curler, some Burt's Bees facial wipes. Barely say that. You will get 2 of KKW Beauty's lipsticks in the shade Pink 6 and Nude 1. And then you will also get 2 of the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palettes. And then you will also get this mirror from the Burn Book Mean Girls collection with Profusion. So you will get that. You will also get Huda Beauty fake eyelashes in the style Hoodie 23, I think. And then you will get the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe that she just released a month or 2, maybe 3 ago, I can't remember. You will get this palette too. So if you want to be entered into this giveaway, that's my dogs. That's my dogs. So that is everything that I'm going to be giving away in today's video. If you guys want to be entered into it, all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. If you want to have some more entries into this giveaway, go follow me over on TikTok. I will leave my name down below. Follow me on Instagram. I don't post anything on Instagram, but I'm gonna start posting stuff on Instagram. And then also go follow me on my other YouTube channel that I have with my husband, and I will leave that right here too. So if you do all of the other things that I just said, like subscribe to all of them, you will get an entry for each time or each one that you subscribe to. Okay, does that make sense? Hopefully I'm not making things confusing, but I'm gonna let you guys go because I need to edit this video and get this up still tonight because I'm going to film, edit, and upload all of my videos like that day, which is going to be a huge challenge. And I have 3 dogs being monsters right now, and I have my son over here eating strawberries, and everything is giving me anxiety really bad. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Nico also wanted me to show you guys that the elf came and he's just hanging out with Chris's alcohol. Yeah.
So Mom, like every day you should like do that. Like every day you just show where he is.
Okay, I will. See, I wasn't lying. He was sitting there eating strawberries. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.